Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi, friends! Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig at the Party Bus Breakdance. Are you excited? Let's get started! First, I'm drawing Peppa Pig. I'll begin with her party hat on top of her head. It's so colorful. Then, I'll draw her nose and her adorable face, just like this. Doesn't she look so happy with her big smile? Now, I'll draw her body. She's dancing and having so much fun. Next, I'll add her beautiful dress decorated with flowers and stars. It looks so pretty. Right beside Peppa, I'll draw Susie Sheep. Let's start with her party hat on her head. Then, I'll add her bright eyes, her little nose, and her sweet smile. Now it's time to draw Susie's body. She's also dancing joyfully. Once the sketch is done, I'll use this black marker to make the lines bolder so the drawing stands out. Now it's coloring time. First, I'll use light pink for Peppa's skin. And a slightly darker pink for her nose and rosy cheeks. Her party hat will be yellow and purple, so cheerful. For her dress, I'll use red, and her shoes will match in red too. Next, let's color Susie Sheep. Her hat will be a mix of sky blue and yellow. I'll use pink for her nose and lips. For her dress, I'll choose purple and gray. It looks lovely. Are you following along? Great job! Enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We can't wait to draw with you again. See you next time. Goodbye.